Hi guys, Nature's Mom said, have you all been? My friend is here. She's gone absolutely mad. Right there.
Boom, oh, why did I shower myself?
She just put lipstick all over her face. Wow. Okay, she's gone to paper. This is my friend tomorrow. You don't get to keep it. I'm just using it. I'm like clean out the Hoover so my friend can use it. So it's a cloth. It's a belt. Because need a new belt. Need new belts for their vacuum. It's a Vax Nano. No, Vax Clean Path, which is the exact same thing. And a little toothbrush cleaner to scrub the bin and the cyclone.
Too much coffee, I think.
She had 13 cups. No joke, guys. She's like addicted to coffee because she's got 5 coffee machines. Because she's got 2 in her room. She's got 1 downstairs because she got a new one today. Anyway, let's do tidying this messy toolbox. So here's a brush I used. So I used it to clean out the cyclones and go like that in the bin. Use it sometimes like that. Whoa, just dropped it. Don't want to drop this because I like it. And I sometimes use it like that, just on the cyclones. I've got short crosshead, long crosshead, yes.
Karen,
Yes.
I'm tired.
Good for you. Well, because you're probably still not going to go to sleep, though. Oh, no. Reconnecting, guys. I'll send her a message. See if she responds. Oh, no, her phone's died, I think. Oh, no, guys, I think her phone died. Oh, well. She'll get it on charge, though. She normally gets it on charge. Anyway, here's a long flathead. A short flathead. Oh, yes! Hello? Did your phone die? It's connecting. It's not working. I'll FaceTime her back. Got a short flathead. What happened to the call? I got a level. Thing. I got spanners. 4 of them. Got a little brush. Good for you. Should be calling me Karen. Yeah, still. Oh, okay. Okay. I have a Dyson DC-40 internal hose. 3 clean toothbrushes. Because one of them is in there. And a Dyson DC-40. Okay. A nice mat. Oh yeah. So let's start putting them back in. So I need this nice and clean, guys, because I like to keep my toolbox nice and clean. So I haven't gone absolutely mad always cleaning it, but I like to I like a nice clean toolbox. Nobody likes a nice messy toolbox because it helps you find things if it's nice and clean. And I'm sure you will tidy your toolbox too if you have one. Where's my spanner gone? She's got too hyper, so she went to run around. I think she said she went to run around because she got too hyper. So, because she's had. Okay, she's back. She's had 13 cups of coffee, and she's not sure if she wants to get another one. I just said to them, that you've had too much coffee today. You've had 13 cups, and you're not sure if you want to get another one.
I got another one.
Okay, guys. She has gone absolutely mad. Okay, she's definitely gone mad, guys. Anyway, Liz inside my toolbox now after it being cleaned. I'm gonna close over. And in here, more stuff. So now when you get like a screwdriver or switchable screwdriver thing, Titan screwdriver, that's where you can put the little bits of it. And here's screw bits when you take it apart. There. I just messed the whole thing up. Nice. I'll tidy it. You okay? You okay? Are you okay?
I just smashed a glass.
Okay, she just smashed the glass, guys.
No, I smashed a glass.
I know she smashed a glass.
And I'm not letting it fall because I'm going to step on it.
Don't you dare. You do that and I'm calling an ambulance. Show me it first then.
Why?
Cause I don't
You
know.
really want to see glass?
I've seen glass before.
You know what? I want to drop something again.
Don't you dare.
I'm going to drop a piece of this mug.
Guys, somebody needs to call. Guys, we need to call. We need to call a psychologist. I'm kidding. Don't actually. Now, anyway, let's tidy it again. Oh, forgot this. Stop dropping it, otherwise it will smash. Okay, you've just gone too high. Okay, not good now, not good.
It broke.
Oh my god.
Well, some of it did anyway.
Just got a message off my friend.
Right.
Yeah, guys, so that's what's inside my toolbox. So guys, I'll see you in the next video, which will be probably after this. Goodbye, see you in the next video.